Welcome. Today, we'll explore how beginners can make money with digital marketing. Let's dive into these exciting opportunities. First up is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking digital marketing services. It's a great start. Next, consider affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Social media management is another option. Help businesses grow their online presence by creating content and engaging with followers. Content writing is in high demand. If you enjoy writing, consider offering your skills to blogs and websites looking for fresh content. These side income ideas are perfect for women restarting their careers or students wanting extra cash. You can do this. Set realistic income goals. Think about how much you'd like to earn monthly and choose the right digital marketing path for you. What are your income goals or side hustle ideas? Share them with us in the comments. Let's inspire each other to succeed.